20 bizarre factors that secretly influence your attractiveness. From the mere exposure effect to the cryptic role of body temperature, we are diving deep into the most bizarre factors that silently shape your attractiveness. So, are you ready for these eye-opening revelations? Let's go. The mere exposure effect, familiarity, the unexpected aphrodisiac. Surprise, surprise, sometimes the more you see someone, the more attractive they become. It's called the mere exposure effect, and psychologists suggest it's a significant player in attraction. That said, guys, being consistent and present can be more potent than any pickup line, so stick around and you might just become her type. Adrenaline rush, why living on the edge can be seductive. Ever wonder why danger seems so irresistible? Well, it's all about the adrenaline rush. Psychologists agree that heart-pounding, exhilarating experiences can spark attraction. That's right, gentlemen, the dangerous guy appeal is real. But remember, you don't need to be a daredevil, just keep the spirit of adventure alive. Unveiling Pheromones, the invisible attraction magnet. Now let's dive into the sensational world of pheromones, the invisible molecules that can pull her closer without her even knowing why. While the power of a good cologne can't be denied, it's your natural scent that might be the real game changer. Psychologists say these invisible cues play a key role in attraction. So guys, embrace your natural essence. Discovering the pitch perfect. The voice that captivates. Ever thought about how your voice impacts your attractiveness? A well-modulated tone can work wonders in your love life. Studies show a confident, calm voice can make you appear more trustworthy and appealing. So, gentlemen, let's not forget, it's not just what you say, but how you say it. Exploring mirroring, the dance of subconscious synchronization. Next up, let's talk about mirroring. It's when you subconsciously mirror her actions, creating a silent, intimate dance between the two of you. Now, this subtle synchronization, experts say, can boost her sense of connection with you. So, the next time you are together, pay attention to her body language. Your mutual dance might just be the secret move that you've been searching for. Deciphering the mystery of symmetry, alluring balance and beauty. Ever wonder why certain faces just seem more attractive? Welcome to the intriguing world of symmetry. According to studies, our brains are wired to find balanced features more beautiful. But remember, guys, it's not all about physical perfection. Confidence and character always take the spotlight. The surprising role of body temperature in attraction. Now, here is a bizarre factor that can heat things up. Literally, your body temperature. Studies show that warm hands and a cool environment can enhance attraction. So maybe on your next date, choose a cozy coffee shop over an ice-cold movie theatre. And don't forget that warm, welcoming handshake. Musical harmony, how your playlist influences attraction. Who knew your Spotify playlist could play Cupid? Research suggests a shared taste in music can create a deeper bond and even spark attraction. So next time you are chatting with her, ask about her favourite tunes. You might discover a mutual love for 80s rock or smooth jazz, and who knows where that could lead. Birth order, a hidden clue to compatibility. Here is a unique twist on compatibility that you might not have considered. Birth order. Some psychologists suggest that your place in the family can influence your dating dynamics. It's no magic formula, but it might just give you some interesting insights. So, gentlemen, delve into your family histories. You never know what secrets they might reveal. Sweat signals. That's right, the unexpected attraction of working up a sweat. Next up, let's get physical. Believe it or not, a good workout can not only keep you fit, but also enhance your attractiveness. Studies show that the natural scent released during exercise can boost your appeal. So guys, swap that cologne for a sweat session. It's time to pump some iron and pump up the attraction. Financial habits, the secret charm of dollar cents. Who would have thought budgeting could be sexy? Well, guys, financial responsibility is a secret turn-on. Experts agree that being financially sensible suggests stability and reliability, and let's face it, who isn't attracted to that? So, being mindful of your spending might just add a little extra spark to your appeal. Battle scars, their unexpected allure. Now, did you know that even scars can have an allure? Strange but true. Psychologists say that scars can be seen as a symbol of bravery, resilience, and an intriguing life story. So guys, don't hide your battle scars, whether they are from a rough game of rugby or a bout with chickenpox. They are part of your story and they might just add to your appeal. The power of vulnerability, strength in softness. It's time to break down those walls, gentlemen. Showing vulnerability does not make you weak. Instead, psychologists say it actually makes you more attractive. Revealing your authentic emotions, your dreams, even your fears, can deepen connection and build trust. So remember, real strength lies in embracing your softer side. Your microbiome, the unseen, unusual factor in attraction. Here's a bizarre factor you never would have guessed. Your microbiome. Yeah, those tiny organisms residing in your body can influence your attractiveness. Studies show that a healthy gut can enhance your overall health, your mood, and even the glow of your skin. So guys, take care of your gut and it might just boost your love life. Fruits and veggies, a surprising skin-deep attraction. Ever thought that your diet could colour your love life? Turns out it can. According to research, a diet rich in fruits and vegetables can subtly affect your skin tone, giving you a healthier and more attractive glow. So fellas, if you are hoping to catch your eye, make sure to catch those fresh produce deals at your local grocery store. The unavailable Enigma, the allure of playing hard to get. Alright fellas, might seem counterintuitive, but being a little elusive can boost your allure, and it's all about the chase. Studies show that being somewhat hard to get can trigger curiosity and a desire to win you over. But remember guys, it's a delicate balance. Being respectful and considerate is key, so let's keep them intrigued, shall we? Unmasking the power of red, colour that ignites sparks. Did you know that the colour that you wear can actually make a difference? Experts agree. Red is a powerful hue in the dating arena. This bold colour can subconsciously signal strength and passion, igniting sparks of attraction. So guys, don't shy away from adding a dash of red to your date night outfit. Yawn contagion, an odd link between empathy and attraction. Ever caught a yawn from someone? It's more than just sleepy science. It's a subtle sign of empathy and bonding. Studies show that yawn contagion is linked to social empathy. So gentlemen, next time your date yawns, return it. It's a strange but effective way to show your empathetic side, and trust me, that's attractive. The power of kindness. More attractive than a six-pack. Gentlemen, kindness is the new sexy. Turns out kindness can make you way more attractive than any gym workout. Psychologists say that kindness suggests empathy, patience, and the ability to form deep connections, which are all major turn-ons. So guys, flex those kindness muscles and watch your appeal soar. Laughter, the unexpected love magnet. They do say that laughter is the best medicine, but did you know it's also a potent love magnet? Shared laughter can forge a powerful connection, and studies show it significantly boosts attraction. So guys, don't be afraid to show your funny side. Keep the jokes coming, because a good sense of humour is a surefire way to her heart. We've just unveiled the hidden factors that influence your attractiveness. What's next? Well, you've got two fascinating options. Is she flirting or just being nice? And telltale signs she thinks you are handsome. Choose one and click to continue the adventure. And as always, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to join our community.